Good morning, day 2. Today we're gonna do some cage exploring. The first one is on top of this mountain. We're not exactly sure how to get there, but we're gonna check it out. See you in a bit. We're almost at the top. We're gonna use our drone to figure out where this cave is, because we can't find it. But yeah, this view, as always, quite amazing. Okay, so the drone that didn't work because we forgot a cable at the car, but we think here it looks like an entrance to a cave. So yeah, we're just gonna walk there, check it out. If not, go back to the car. Okay, so we think we found the entrance. Oh, wait, where's the entrance? I thought... it's somewhere else? We found the cave. So it seems like it's closed. Renovation. But let's check out that ruin there. I don't know why anyone would build this here. I'm sure it had a purpose. First view. Okay. There's a chair here. Some crazy little animal. This could be a cool motif for painting. It's really cool how you can see how the lava was flowing and then slowly drying, leaving this massive landscape full of these dark rocks. Okay guys, we didn't want to give up, so we're still on the way back. We say let's try the other side of the mountain, maybe there we will find the cave. And now Max has found it, so yeah, never give up, boy. What? We're inside the cave. It's fucking hot in here. It's so dark, you can't see shit. It goes deep. Even now with my flashlight I can't see anything. Yo! Kombinieren wir unsere Lichter. Okay, that was sick. We found it. We went inside, but it was so hot and we didn't have flashlights, so we decided to turn around. Back in the car, check out this wonderful artwork. This one you might recognize from yesterday. And now basically what we're doing, we're driving to this supposedly pretty cool viewpoint, and you need to take some dirt roads to get there, so we're really excited to test our SUV. See you at the top. Peace! We made it to the dirt roads. The sun is peeking through those trees. What more do you want? The SUV, very smooth driving. We're very happy with it. Yo, we just found this really cool tree called Pino Piloto. And basically, I think there was a fire or something, but you can just walk straight through. He's taking a shit in the middle of the tree. Trying to go to a lookout, but we found this lovely place. And we're gonna fire up the drone and give you some lovely shots. Okay, we made it to the top. Whoa! Check this. Yo, this might be the biggest pine cone I've ever seen. A little bit fresh up here. Quite a few degrees colder. Yeah, so that's why I put on a jacket. Max is hungry, so he asked me for some food before he gets grumpy again. But we got it all in the backpack. Might even paint a picture here. Be a nice spot to camp as well. One of the best maps I've seen so far. We came from here. And here. And then we get here. Okay, so this is the first time we're actually gonna be able to look on the northern side of the island. Now that is what we call dope as fuck. Yo! This might be one of the nicest views I had in a really long time. Yo! And then these clouds, but there you have a really nice blue sky. This is what it's all about, mates. It is so lovely. We got the sun and we got some amazing views. This is so beautiful. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're gonna look for a spot where we can set up all our stuff and paint a picture here with this amazing view in the background. Yeah, it's quite fucking steep. Whew. I found my painting spot. Oder? Nee, ist nicht windig. Nee, ist wirklich nicht windig. Okay guys, we decided to go for the first spot, which is right here. Amazing view in the background. And we're gonna eat something and then we're gonna paint. What's up guys? We also have a camera here. Okay, so second setup, dope as fuck. Let's start painting. Yeah, let's see what we're doing. Yesterday we painted more of a red. Today I'm seeing more of a green. Well, let's start with some white. So because we're not using any water, the colors will blend nicely. We go with some crisscross actions. Yeah, maybe that could be cool. Can just start crisscrossing, eh? Going with a little bit of yellow. Yellow and green, lemon green. Now this is so much fun. Just have to remember to look up and actually enjoy the view as well. Remember where we are. Now we have some contrast. I love this color. In the shade the color looks way more purple than it is. I'll go out of the shade. Sit back. Dry brush, pull all these colors down, use a little bit of a darker green. Now let's use some white. And now also some light green again. We're gonna let this dry now. Enjoy the view a little bit. And have a beer. That was awesome. We're trying to catch a spot where we can watch the sunset, so we're heading back to the other side of the island. We wanted to head back, and actually there's a paraglider. Whoppa! Hey. You have some clouds here. Oh, there you can see him. Very mystical here with all the clouds. These streets here, they're giving me almost like tropical vibes because they have so much moss hanging onto them. And it's like super bright green, which is just really cool. One of my favorite roads, to be honest, so far. I don't know, it just looks so cool. And we can see the sun, so we think it's gonna be a good sunset. Okay guys, day 2 is complete. It was an absolute blast. We just had a nice sunset. And yeah, we're gonna grab some food and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Today the weather is not too good, but we started just driving around these small little villages and found this place where they make cakes, basically. So we're gonna check it out. Okay. It's raining. He doesn't like rain. We got some, I don't know what it is. Oh, something with cocos. And bruschetta de anise. Probably both things that I don't really like. It's okay. Do you like it? No. No. It was the best rated sweet shop in the whole of El Hierro. At least that's what I think. Let's try this. These look nice, they look crispy. They're not crispy, but it's nice. It's like a donut dough fried. Yo, look at these clouds. You can barely see the roads. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna check out the other side because the clouds, they get stuck on the mountain and maybe there we'll have a better view. And now it has cleared up a little bit on this side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stay on this side and see what we can do here. Okay, so here in the lower levels you can see the massive clouds behind me, but down here it's quite clear. So we just picked out a random spot with the cliffs here. Oh wow. Oh, there's some lovely pools where you can swim. Hey Max! Das ist saukrank! Oh shit, my shoes got wet. Wow. I don't think you really want to go swim there. That looks like it would hurt. Here is okay. It's time to do our daily swim. And man, the water, mwah, crystal clear. check out that view from down here. That looks awesome. Okay, so we're done swimming. We're just gonna check out this city for a little bit, few minutes, and then head back to the car, grab something to eat, and then see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. I guess you can rent these or something. I don't think actually anybody lives here. Back in the car, let's see if we can find a cool place to chill and enjoy the sun a little bit. Another drive, another viewpoint. They made this place very beautiful. Very cute little cafe.
Oh, look at this.
The day is coming to an end. It was a mixture of clouds and sun, but at the end we got this amazing sunset, and we're just gonna relax here for a little bit. Our apartment is just like 5 minutes down the road, so we're excited for the days to come. We'll do some camping and all that stuff. See you tomorrow. I hope you had fun watching this video, and if you did, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss episode 3. I wish you and your family Merry Christmas. I'll see you next time, and bye bye.